Hello everyone, welcome to Readables. I hope you are all doing fine. This is a new video on how to create date table in Power BI using Power Query. So without wasting time, let's get started. Now how to create date table in Power BI using Power Query. To create date table in Power Query, follow these steps. Open Power BI desktop, click on transformation tab. Then in Power Query editor, click on new source and select blank query. Then rename the query to query 1 in queries pane and typing new names such as date table. Open advanced editor and paste below code. So let's copy this code first. So I've copied this code from my website. Then I will again go to Power BI desktop. I will click on this transformation data. Then Power Query pane will open. Then I will click on new source, blank query, change its name to date table Power Query. Then I will click on this advanced editor and then I will paste my code here and click done. Now you can see a date table is created. And if you want to change the date range, you can change it from here. Now put done here, then close and apply. The changes are applying. Let's wait for it. Now you can see we have date table in Power using Power Query. You can check the table here. So we have a date table using Power Query. Now let's say now you want to make date table as an official date table, like mark it as a date table. So you can click on any of the date table. Let's say I click on this make date table using Power Query. Then I will go to this table tools, then mark this as a date table. You need to select the date column. So we will choose this date and then click OK. Now this table is marked as date table. So guys, that's all for this video. If you find this video insightful, then please do like this video and subscribe to our channel. And feel free to ask anything in comment section. We will try our best to answer all of them. Check us out on different social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook and Twitter, and check our websites, that is datawolves.com. So we'll see you in our next video. Thank you. Bye.